Here this is the factorization of a cube plus b cube and a cube minus b cube. So first you will write each term in the perfect cube form. Here if you see, there is the cube of x only, not of the 8. इसी तरीके से यहां किसका क्यूब है? Here there is the cube of y, not of 27. 27 का क्यूब नहीं है. It's clear? So first you will try to write them in the perfect cube form. So what you can write? This you can write 2 cube x cube. This is 3 cube y cube. It's clear? Means this is 2x whole cube plus 3y whole cube. 2x whole cube plus 3y whole cube. Now it is of which form? Of this form or of this form?
A cube plus B cube.
It is of the form a cube plus b cube. So see here, you see what is the formula of a cube plus b cube? A cube plus b cube, in one bracket a plus b, in the other a square minus ab plus b square. It's clear? What is in place of a here?
2x.
In place of a is 2x and in place of b is 3y.
3y.
When you will write a plus b, 2x plus 3y. Now this you can write as a square. A square means 2x ka whole square minus ab, that is 2x into 3y, plus b square means 3y ka whole square. Now if you simplify, 2x plus 3y in one bracket and in the other 4x square minus 6xy plus 9y square. It's clear? This will be the factor. Factor ये हो जाएगा. It's clear? This way you
Yes,
can
sir.
factorize. Now you can see here. For example, 32x to the power 4 minus 500x minus 500x. So what is common in between both the terms?
X.
X is common. You take out x common. And 2 is also common. 2 is common or more. 4 is common. 30 to 500. 4 is common. So you take out 4x common. When you will take out common, here you will get 8x cube minus, what will you get? क्या मिलेगा? 125. Now here this is 4x, 8x cube, this is 2x whole cube minus 5
का whole cube.
Now it is of the form a cube minus b cube.
B cube.
A cube minus b cube factors are a minus b, in the other bracket a square plus ab plus b square. This formula you will use. Now what is in place of a here? A के प्लेस पर क्या है?
2x cube.
2x cube.
No, it is not 2x cube.
2x.
What is in
4x.
place of a cube? What is in place of a? A के प्लेस पर क्या है?
2x.
4x.
2x. So 2x.
2x.
2x. And in place of b,
5.
5x.
in place of b is 5. So you can see here, you can write 4x within bracket. First is a minus b, that is 2x minus 5. 2x minus 5. Now in the next bracket, so you can write 2x square plus 2x into 5 plus 5 square. Now you simplify. When you will simplify, what will you get? 2x minus 5. 2x whole square. It is equals to 4x square plus 10x plus 25. Now all of you see and whether it is understood or not.
Yes, sir.
Those who want, they can note down. Now you can take one more question. 27 x plus y whole cube plus 8 into 2x minus y whole cube. 2x minus y whole cube. Now 27 can be written as 3 cube. It is x plus y whole cube. And 8 can be written as 2 cube. It is 2x minus y whole cube. It's clear? Now you can see here, this is the cube of 3 and this is the cube of x plus y. You take 3 inside, you write in this way. 3 into x plus y whole bracket cube. It's clear? Similarly, this you write 2 into 2x minus y whole bracket cube. It's clear? So you can see here, this is when you will multiply, it will become 3x plus 3y whole cube. And here it is 4x minus 2y whole cube. Now it is of which form? A cube plus b cube or a cube minus b?
The
A
A
cube
cube
plus B cube.
It is of form a cube plus b cube. What is in place of a?
3x plus 3y.
3x plus 3y.
Very good. A cube plus b cube. A plus b in the other bracket, a square minus ab plus b square. In place of a, there is 3x plus 3y. While in place of b, there is 4x minus 2y. So see here, first bracket is a plus b. So a is 3x plus 3y.
3y.
B is 4x minus 2y. Now in the other bracket a square means 3x plus 3y whole square minus ab, that is 3x plus 3y. तुमको याद रखना है कि a क्या है और b क्या है. Then you have to just put the value. It's clear? Then plus b square, that is, it is 4x minus 2y whole square. Now you simplify the brackets. So the first bracket is 3x plus 4x, 7x plus y. Now see here, we will expand these brackets. This is by using a plus b whole square, and that bracket by a minus b whole square, by using a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. So see here, a square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. It's clear? Then you can see here, when you will open this, so it will be minus 3x into 4x. Minus minus plus 3x into y. Then this is minus 3y into 4x. And this is minus minus plus, so it will be 3y into 2y. You can see here. Because of this minus sign, all terms sign change. सभी terms के sign change हो जाएंगे. When you will multiply 3x with the 4x, it is 3x into 4x. But with which sign? Minus sign. When you will multiply this with this, here there is minus. But because of this minus sign, it will become plus. So 3x into 2y. Similarly, when you multiply 3y with the 4x, what will you get? 3y to 4x with plus sign. But because of this minus sign, it will become minus. It's clear? And then 3y into minus 2y. But because of the minus sign, that term will become plus. Now this we can expand by using a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square. So I am writing here 4x whole square plus 2y whole square minus 2 into 4x into 2y. Bracket is closed. Bracket is closed. Have you understood? Now you have to
Yes, sir.
simplify. You have to just simplify. So you can see here. I am writing here. This is 7x plus y. In the other bracket, 3x whole square, that is 9x square plus 9y square. 2 3 ja 6, 6 3 ja 18 plus 18xy. Then here minus 12x square. Then plus 6xy. Then this is minus 12xy. We will not write 12yx. See here. 3 4 ja 12 yx. But whether you write yx or xy, it will be same. So since at one place I have written xy, so further also we will write xy. Then 3y into 2y. It is plus 6y square. It will be plus 6y square. Then you can see here 4x whole square. This is equals to 16x square. 2y whole square, that is 4y square. And this is 2 4 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. Now you have to simplify. So this is very simple. You can simplify this. First bracket will be as it is. Now see here. How will you simplify this? So you can see 9x square minus 12x square. कितना होगा बोले? 9 minus 12.
minus 3x square.
Minus 3x.
Yes, minus 3x square plus 16x square. कितना हो गया? Minus 3 minus 3 plus 16.
13x square plus 13x square.
Plus 13x square. It's clear? Plus 13x square. Minus 3 plus 16 equals to plus 13. Now you see the terms of y square. 9y square and 6y square. कितना होगा? 9 plus 6.
15y square.
16.
15y square. Plus 4y square.
19y square.
19y square. It is equal to 19y square. It is clear? Now you see the terms of xy. Here 18xy and this is minus 12xy. It is equal to how much?
6xy.
6xy.
6
It's clear? Plus 6xy equals to how much?
12xy.
12xy. And 12xy minus 16xy is how much?
Minus 4x.
Minus 4xy.
4x.
Minus 4xy. So this is the factorization. Your answer will be this. This is the answer. Have you understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now see here. Now you can see question number 9, in which you have to make the groups and then you will do. Question number 9. 2a cube plus 16b cube minus 5a minus 10b. Minus 5a minus 10b. It's clear? So see here, we make the groups. This is one group of first two terms. पहले दो term का एक group ये है. And this is the another group. Now what is common from these two terms?
हताहत होते हैं लोग तो रूट इस चीज को बर्दाश्त नहीं करता। अब देखो नेतन्याहू को, और नेतन्याहू ने उधर से ये कहा कि हम तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं कर रहे हैं, हम तो बस अपने आप को
Listen here. Abhijit Srivastava. What is common from the first two terms?
2.
The 2.
when you will take out common, a cube plus 8b cube. What is common from the next two terms?
So
Sir,
5.
5.
Sir,
Not,
5.
it is minus 5. It is minus 5 is common. What will you get? A plus 2b. Now see here. This you can write a ka whole cube plus 2b ka
Whole cube.
minus 5a plus 2b. Now which formula will apply here?
So a cube plus
A
b.
plus
A cube plus B cube.
b cube.
B
In
cube.
one bracket a plus b and in the other a square minus ab plus
B plus B.
What is in place of a?
A.
Sir, A.
A. And in place of b,
So 2b.
2B.
so it will be a plus 2b. Now in the other bracket a square, that is a ka whole square, minus ab, that is a into 2b, plus b square, that is 2b ka whole square. And here this is minus 5 into a plus 2b. Now you will simplify the brackets. 2b. When you will simplify a square minus 2ab plus 4b
Sir, board is not
square
clear.
minus 5a plus 2b. Now what is common from whole? पूरे में से क्या कॉमन? Who can tell? What is common from whole? पूरे में से क्या कॉमन?
Sir, A minus 2B.
A minus b or a plus 2b. A minus b or a plus 2b. Who can tell? You can see here a plus 2b is here as well as here. So a plus 2b
The
is
board is
common.
not clear.
When you will take out a plus
Sir, your
2b
board is
common.
not clear.
The board is not clear.
Not network problem. So this is 2 a square minus 2ab plus 4b square minus 5. कभी कभी बोर्ड क्लियर इसलिए नहीं होता क्योंकि वो नेटवर्क की प्रॉब्लम है, उसमें क्या करें. Now 2 into a square, 2a square minus 4ab plus 8b square minus 5. Have you understood? Now board is clear or not?
Yes, Sir, sir. clear.
So clear.
कभी कभी
Sir, no,
नेटवर्क
sir.
होती है वो उसके कारण से नहीं हो पाता. Now see here. Now I will take one more question, and on Monday we will once again connect at the same timing. It's clear? And by Sunday you do all the questions here, all the exercises of this chapter, so that if there is any problem, then in the next week you can ask. It's clear? So
Yes, sir.
Here I am doing one question. Question number 13, second part. Question number 13, second part. No. This is x to the power 6 minus 7x cube minus 8. If you see here, we can write x to the power 6 as x cube ka whole square. It's clear? Minus 7x cube minus 8. Now you take x cube equals to a. When you will take x cube equals to a, what will be this? It will become, क्या हो जाएगा?
Sir, A square.
Minus 7a minus
7A. 8.
now it has become just like the, ये क्या हो गया? Trinomial. And this trinomial you can factorize by splitting middle term. By splitting middle term, we can factorize. So what will you write here? Minus 8a plus 1a minus 8. What is common from the first two terms? A.
A.
Sir,
So when you will take out a common, what will you get? You will get
A square minus
square.
8.
Minus 8.
A square minus 8. This is clear? And here, when you will take one common, a minus
8.
8. This is, there is some mistake somewhere. Here, this is not cube. You can see here, this a square, and by mistake, I have written it as a cube. It's clear? This is actually square. It's clear? So when you will take out a common, what will you get? A minus c. Now it is clear? Now a minus 8
Yeah,
is
yes,
common from 2. A plus 1. Now you substitute this because a equals to x cube. So this will be equals to x cube minus 8 x cube plus 1. X cube minus 8 x cube plus 1. You can see here x cube minus 2 and this is x cube plus 1. First bracket can be factorized by using which formula? A cube minus b cube. And second bracket can be factorized by taking a cube plus b cube. So see here, you factorize this. So a minus b. In the other bracket, x square minus plus x into 2 plus 2 square. Then you factorize this x plus 1. A square, that is x square plus ab, that is x into not plus ab minus plus 1 square. You can see once again. This I have factorized by a cube minus b. What is in place of a? X. In place of b?
2.
So it is x minus. In the other bracket, a square plus ab plus b square. It is clear? Similarly, the next one. So see here, when you will simplify, so this is x square plus 2x plus 4. X plus 1, x square minus x plus 1. This is the factorization. Okay. These will be the factors here. So now I am ending today. Monday we will once again connect. It's clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
By Monday you do all the questions.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Thank
sir.
you.
Thank you.